What's up, YouTube fam? It's the EDC Pastor back again. Just taking a few minutes. I want to go over something that happened to me just recently. And when you're carrying tools all the time, you always get asked to do things. And so I just want to cover something that I ran into that I didn't have in my kit. Either I had loaned it out, whatever the case may be. And so I want to touch it tonight. But I want to thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel. Glad for all the comments. Loving that you guys are enjoying the content. I got more coming. We'll do some more gear reviews, more tool reviews. We're just going to see where it goes. I'm having fun, having the discussion, and I'm just happy to be able to do it. So real quick, I want to get into something. The other day, I was at a friend's house, and I was mounting a TV. If you do IT, you know that you get asked to do lots of things. So I mount things to the walls. Usually, in most cases, I need to find a secure and very good place to mount something to the wall, whether it's a network rack that goes across some studs or in some cases a television. And I was mounting like an 80-inch television to somebody's wall, giving them a hand. And as I've said before, this toolkit goes with me everywhere. And so I pulled this toolkit out of the truck and I went inside and we got to work on mounting the television. And you know, you've done it. You've had to find studs before. I'm sure most of you, if you're watching this video, you've had to do it. You've had to anchor something in a stud in your house, find it on the walls, and there's lots of ways you can do it. You could tap the wall, listening for it. If you know how construction works, you could find the closest receptacle, determine which side of the receptacle the wood is on, and then measure. Sometimes you're 16 inches on center. Sometimes you could do sometimes 24 inches on center. Usually it's 16 inches on center. And you can measure it out and then go from there. But I've used all kinds of stud finders in the past. I've used the battery operated ones that beep. I've used all of those. I usually have problems with the fact that every time I try to find a stud finder, the batteries are dead. And so over the years, I picked up one of these at my local Home Depot. It's called a Stud Buddy. And this really, all it is, it's just a glorified magnet. And you know what's really good about magnets? They don't have batteries. They can't die. And if you're dealing with a sheetrock wall, some says, well, they're wood. How's it going to stick? Well, there's sheetrock screws that hold the sheetrock up. And so you can take this magnet and you can work it in a pattern across the wall until it finds one of them sheetrock screws. And when it does, you know there's a stud there because it finds it. Well, I've used this for quite a while. And a few weeks ago, I had lent it to a coworker because he was mounting a network rack and didn't have a stud finder. And then when I went to go do something like mount a TV for a friend, I didn't have one in my kit. And I do this quite often. You know, every one of us, whether you have a kit, I've seen great suggestions. People are saying, WD-40 pens, all this stuff, and I love it. Credit cards with duct tape on it. I'm taking notes, right? Metal files, all that. But, we all have things that come up in a more common pace than others. We have different rhythms. And for me, putting stuff on a wall, in most of the cases, anchoring into a stud. And so I found this online, and I'm not affiliated. They're not doing anything for me or anything like that. But I found this, and it's called the Stud Mark. And it's not very expensive. I think I paid like $15 before shipping on Amazon. And this is a stud finder similar to the Stud Buddy. It is simply a magnet. There's no batteries in it, but this has a really unique feature that for me works really well because most of the time when I'm trying to mount something to a wall, I'm usually trying to go across at least a few studs. And so with the unique feature that this has, and I'll link this in the description so you guys can go check it out if you want. It's not really expensive, and I absolutely love it. So I bought it to put it in the kit. But the unique description that this has is you have the ability to mark multiple studs with this. So I can work this across the wall in a pattern, and I'll find a stud. And I think I got some screws or nails in this table, so it sticks right here. Well, if I know I have a stud right here, I can take this, and that's also a magnet. So now I can stick this right where it found it. All right, I can mark that stud, and now I can work this to another stud. And when I find that stud, I can take the other one off and mark it. And then I can use this to mark a third. And so now, in most cases, if I'm mounting a TV or a network rack or something sizable and I got to go across several studs, I've now marked 3 studs in the wall. And I didn't have to have batteries. I don't have to worry about it dying on me. It's not expensive. And this thing, it's really the footprint on it is not very large. It fits pretty well. It's about you can see based on my tape measure, mean, it's not much. With the pocket clip, it's about the same. The most annoying part, if there is any, is that it's a magnet, so it sticks. But here in my bag, I just stick it right to the top of that little pouch that's got my bits and stuff in it, and it just stays right there. And now I don't have to worry about it. If I go somewhere, which always happens, it's happened at least twice, I can mount this up, and I have some way to find the studs. And so no matter how much you do it, if you do tools or you mount anything, TVs, mostly at home, sometimes you're mounting lights and pictures and mirrors, and this is a really cool little tool to be able to use. And so I'd recommend you check it out. It's not expensive. I mean, when you consider that this was $10 at Home Depot for just one, and then I can get this in Mark III for $15 on Amazon. Again, I'm not affiliated, and I'm not no math genius, but it seems like good math to me. And if you're a fidgeter, man, I fidget with this thing all the time. It's got some really good fidget quality too. But tell me what you think in the comments below, whether you like it, maybe you've tried it, maybe you want to give it a try. Maybe you have a stud finder that you like, that you want to throw in the comments below that you could swear by that stud finder. Let's have the conversation. But if you like the content, subscribe. I appreciate it. And as always, live ready.